Hello, design lovers, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly special, creating a magical farmhouse Christmas inspired by the timeless elegance of Jean Stoffer's classic Michigan style. If you love warm, inviting spaces with a touch of European refinement and organic textures, you're in for a treat. We'll walk through every corner of the farmhouse, from the charming exterior to cozy interior nooks, all dressed for the holidays. If this sounds like your dream Christmas aesthetic, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share your favorite farmhouse Christmas memories in the comments below. Let's get started on this festive design journey together. Your farmhouse exterior sets the tone for the entire Christmas experience. Think classic board and batten siding in crisp white or soft grayish, paired with black-framed windows that create that signature modern farmhouse contrast. For the holidays, keep it beautifully simple. A fresh pine wreath on the front door with natural burlap ribbon, flanking evergreen topiaries in galvanized metal planters, and a wooden vintage ladder leaning casually beside the entrance, draped with twinkling warm white lights. Jean Stoffer's approach celebrates restraint and natural materials, so avoid overly bright colors. Instead, embrace the organic beauty of greenery, weathered wood, and subtle lighting that creates an inviting glow as evening falls. Step inside to an entryway that balances practicality with farmhouse charm. A shiplap accent wall, painted in Benjamin Moore's Swiss coffee, provides the perfect backdrop for a vintage-inspired coat rack with aged bronze hooks. Below, a rustic wooden bench with a linen cushion offers seating, while woven baskets tucked underneath keep shoes organized. Above the bench, hang an arched mirror with a simple wooden frame to bounce natural light throughout the space. For Christmas, drape fresh cedar garland along the mirror's top edge and place a galvanized tray on the bench holding pine cones and battery-operated pillar candles. A natural fiber runner grounds the space while protecting floors during snowy Michigan winters. The magic is in the details. Add a vintage-style key holder mounted on the wall. Look for something with an antiqued brass finish that feels collected over time. A small wooden console table, if space allows, becomes the perfect spot for a ceramic bowl to catch daily essentials. For Christmas, style the surface with a small arrangement of white amaryllis in a stone vessel, keeping Jean Stoffer's preference for monochromatic elegance in mind. Layer a chunky knit throw over the bench for added texture and warmth. The entryway mat should be natural core with a simple pattern, durable enough for winter weather yet refined enough to make guests feel immediately welcomed into your thoughtfully designed home. The living room embodies farmhouse Christmas at its finest. Start with a neutral foundation. A linen slip-covered sofa in oatmeal or natural flax creates that lived-in, family-friendly feel Jean Stoffer champions. Anchor the space with a large-scale jute rug layered with a vintage Turkish or Persian runner for depth and character. Arrange seating to encourage conversation, perhaps adding a pair of Belgian linen wingback chairs flanking the fireplace. The coffee table should be substantial. Think reclaimed wood with visible grain and character marks. Keep the architectural elements simple. Painted brick fireplace in soft white, exposed ceiling beams if you're fortunate enough to have them, and plenty of natural light through simple linen curtains that puddle slightly on wide plank oak floors. Transform your living room into a Christmas sanctuary without overwhelming its serene farmhouse aesthetic. Dress the mantel with fresh mixed greenery, cedar, pine, and eucalyptus, loosely arranged in varying heights. Intersperse cream-colored pillar candles in different sizes on wooden pedestals or directly on the mantel for romantic ambience. Skip the bright colors. Instead, introduce subtle metallics through antique brass candlesticks or a vintage silver tray displaying white porcelain Christmas villages. Style the coffee table with a wooden dough bowl filled with natural ornaments, dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and white pumpkins transition from fall. Add texture through chunky cable knit throw blankets draped over seating and velvet pillows in muted sage or cream tones for sophisticated holiday warmth. Now, let's move to the heart of our video, the dining room. Jean Stoffer's Michigan farmhouse aesthetic shines brightest here. Picture a spacious room with shiplap or plaster walls in warm white, grounded by wide plank hardwood floors in a medium oak tone. The ceiling might feature exposed beams or simple board detailing, painted to match the walls. Natural light floods through tall windows dressed minimally with linen Roman shades. The star of the room is an expansive farmhouse table, ideally reclaimed wood or new wood with a weathered finish that seats 8 to 10 comfortably. Surround it with a mix of seating, linen-upholstered host chairs at each end and simple wooden ladderback chairs along the sides, creating that collected over time authenticity. Creating Jean Stoffer's signature Christmas table involves artful layering of natural textures. Begin with a base layer, perhaps a vintage linen runner and natural flax running down the table's center, or leave the beautiful wood exposed. Layer European linen napkins at each place, setting in cream or soft gray, paired with simple white ironstone dinner plates and antique silverware with patina. The centerpiece should feel organic and abundant without blocking conversation. A low arrangement of mixed greenery, white roses, and seasonal berries in a long wooden trough or several mercury glass vessels running the table's length. Incorporate taper candles in brass or pewter holders at varying heights. Add personal touches with handwritten place cards on craft paper, tied with twine and small sprigs of rosemary. Lighting transforms your farmhouse dining room from everyday to extraordinary. The statement piece should be an oversized chandelier with authentic character. Consider a wooden bead chandelier, wrought iron design with candle-style lights, or a Belgian-inspired fixture with linen shades. It should hang approximately 30 inches above the table surface, creating intimate ambience while providing adequate illumination. For Christmas, subtly dress the chandelier's base with a simple greenery garland, keeping it light so as not to overwhelm the fixture's beauty. Add supplemental lighting through a console or buffet table, styled with matching brass table lamps with linen shades. As evening approaches, dim the overhead lighting and let candlelight take center stage, creating that magical warmth Jean Stoffer's designs are beloved for. Adjacent to the dining room, the kitchen embraces the same classic farmhouse principles with enhanced functionality. Floor-to-ceiling cabinetry painted in a soft white or pale gray creates a serene backdrop, while open shelving on at least one wall displays everyday white dishes, wooden cutting boards, and ceramic pitchers. The countertops should be durable yet beautiful. White marble with subtle veining, honed to hide fingerprints, or butcher block for warmth. A porcelain farmhouse sink beneath a window dressed with simple cafe curtains provides the perfect spot for morning coffee with garden views. The refrigerator is ideally panel-ready, concealed behind cabinetry to maintain visual calm. Natural wood floors tie the kitchen to surrounding spaces, creating seamless flow throughout your farmhouse. Dress your farmhouse kitchen for Christmas with practical elegance. Style open shelving by tucking small sprigs of greenery behind displayed dishes and adding a few vintage brass candlesticks with cream tapers. On the countertop beside your espresso machine or small coffee maker, create a beverage station using a wooden tray holding ceramic mugs, a small pitcher of pine branches, and a canister of holiday cookies. Above the sink, hang a simple evergreen swag with velvet ribbon in muted green or burgundy. The stove area remains functional but festive, perhaps a vintage-style tea kettle in enamel white sitting on a back burner. Near the pantry door, hang a wreath crafted from dried bay leaves or eucalyptus. Keep counters relatively clear, maintaining the kitchen's functionality while nodding to the season's joy through natural, timeless elements. The family room offers relaxed comfort with farmhouse sophistication. This space features overstuffed seating. Think deep sectional and performance linen for real-life durability, layered with texture through varied pillows and natural materials. Mount the flat-screen television above a substantial console crafted from reclaimed wood, styling it minimally with wooden boxes, vintage books, and simple candlesticks. The key to achieving Jean Stoffer's aesthetic here is balancing technology with warmth, perhaps flanking the TV with simple wall-mounted sconces or incorporating the television within built-in cabinetry painted to match the walls. A large ottoman upholstered in leather or linen serves as both footrest and additional seating. Underfoot, layer rugs again, beginning with natural jute topped with a vintage wool rug in muted patterns and colors. Transform your family room into the ultimate Christmas retreat through thoughtful layering. Swap regular throw pillows for holiday-appropriate textures, velvet in forest green, chunky knit in cream, and vintage grain sack fabric. Drape luxurious throws over seating. Think alpaca, mohair, or chunky cable knit in neutral tones. Style the media console with a garland of mixed greens punctuated with white berries, keeping it low profile so as not to interfere with the television. In the corner, place a secondary Christmas tree. Perhaps a slim 7-foot tree decorated simply with white lights and natural ornaments like wooden beads, felt shapes, and linen ribbon. Create a hot chocolate station on a bar cart with a vintage thermos, ceramic mugs, and a tray of marshmallows, making holiday movie nights effortlessly special. Carve out workspace within your farmhouse that maintains aesthetic integrity. Position a compact wooden desk, antique if possible, or new with vintage character, near a window for natural light. Choose a comfortable chair that doesn't sacrifice style. A Belgian linen office chair or vintage wooden desk chair with a cushion works beautifully. Keep the desktop organized with purpose-driven accessories. A small vintage brass desk lamp, a unique compact desk clock with Roman numerals, a ceramic pencil holder, and perhaps a small radio with classic styling for background music. Wall-mount simple floating shelves above the desk for books and baskets that hide office supplies. The key is creating a workspace that could transition to a letter-writing desk or creative corner, maintaining the home's collected, multifunctional feel. Every farmhouse needs a reading sanctuary. Tuck this intimate space near a window, anchored by a comfortable upholstered chair, perhaps a Belgian linen wingback or oversized club chair in neutral fabric. Position it to capture natural light, adding a floor lamp with a linen shade for evening reading. Beside the chair, place a small round side table in aged wood or metal, sized perfectly for holding a teacup and stacked books. Add an ottoman for putting up your feet, upholstered to coordinate with the chair. Behind the chair, install floor-to-ceiling built-in bookshelves if possible, or a simple bookcase painted to match the walls. For Christmas, drape a plaid wool blanket over the chair, tuck a few holiday books into the shelves, and place a small potted paper white narcissus on the side table. The farmhouse bedroom prioritizes rest and serenity. Center the room with a substantial wooden bed, perhaps a simple four-poster in oak or a classic sleigh bed painted in soft white. Dress it with layers of natural linen bedding in whites and creams, adding texture through a chunky knit throw at the foot and European linen shams behind standard pillows. Flank the bed with matching nightstands in wood or painted finishes, each topped with ceramic lamps in simple shapes. Above the bed, keep artwork minimal, perhaps a large-scale vintage botanical print or simple abstract in neutral tones. The floor features that same wide plank hardwood with a large natural fiber rug anchoring the bed. Paint walls in warm white or the softest gray, creating a cocoon of calm. Bring Christmas to the bedroom through gentle, restful touches. Swap one or two throw pillows for holiday textures, perhaps velvet in sage or a vintage-inspired Christmas print kept small scale. On the nightstands, replace everyday decor with small arrangements of white pine in simple glass vases and a scented candle in seasonal fragrance like fir needle or spiced orange. Drape a plaid wool throw blanket across the foot of the bed in traditional red and cream or sophisticated navy and cream. Hang a simple evergreen wreath on the wall opposite the bed or above a dresser, keeping it sized appropriately for the space. On the dresser, create a small vignette with vintage Christmas books, a wooden nutcracker, and a small ceramic Christmas tree in white. The goal is inviting holiday warmth without disrupting the bedroom's peaceful purpose. The farmhouse bathroom balances modern convenience with vintage charm. Install a spacious walk-in shower with subway tile walls in classic white, grouted in light gray, and simple fixtures in matte black or brushed nickel. The vanity should feel furniture-like, perhaps a repurposed antique dresser converted to hold an undermount sink, or new cabinetry designed with vintage proportions in painted wood. Top it with marble or quartz in soft white. Above, hang a simple mirror with a wooden or metal frame, flanked by wall sconces rather than a typical vanity bar light. The floor features hexagonal porcelain tile in white or marble-look large format tiles. Add warmth through texture, a chunky bath mat, linen hand towels on a vintage-style towel bar, and open shelving displaying rolled towels in neutral tones alongside simple bathroom necessities in attractive containers. Bring subtle Christmas elegance to your bathroom sanctuary. On the vanity countertop, place a small tray holding a luxurious hand soap in a glass dispenser, a scented candle in seasonal fragrance, and a tiny arrangement of white pine tips. Roll hand towels and tie them with natural twine and a sprig of rosemary, displaying them in a wire basket on the counter or open shelving. Hang a small wreath crafted from eucalyptus or bay leaves on the mirror or bathroom door, keeping the scale appropriate for the space. Replace everyday hand towels with holiday guest towels in white or cream linen with subtle embroidery. In the shower, place artisan soap bars wrapped in craft paper with seasonal labels. These small gestures create a cohesive holiday experience throughout your home while maintaining the bathroom's serene, spa-like atmosphere. Don't overlook the garage. Even utilitarian spaces deserve farmhouse attention. If visible from main living areas or used as a frequent entry point, treat it as an extension of your home's aesthetic. Paint walls in the same warm white used throughout your farmhouse, or if it's a true workshop, consider board and batten treatment painted in durable white or gray. Install sturdy open shelving made from reclaimed wood and metal brackets for organized storage of tools and seasonal items. Hang a pegboard painted to match the walls for frequently used tools, keeping them accessible yet tidy. The floor might be sealed concrete or painted with durable garage floor paint in gray. Add a simple bench near the entry door for removing shoes, with hooks above for coats and bags. During Christmas, hang a wreath on the interior garage door and keep a basket of blankets for warming up cars on cold Michigan mornings. The farmhouse patio extends your living space outdoors, designed for three-season enjoyment. Create a foundation with large format pavers, natural stone, or poured concrete with a brushed finish. Define the space with a substantial pergola overhead, painted white or left in natural weathered wood. Furnish with comfortable outdoor seating that echoes interior style. Wicker sofas with thick cushions in outdoor fabric, vintage metal chairs around a teak dining table, or a porch swing suspended from the pergola with chains. Add an outdoor rug in natural fiber to ground the seating area. Incorporate planters, galvanized metal tubs, and weathered terracotta, filled with seasonal greenery. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience. Include practical elements like an outdoor console for serving and a weatherproof storage bench for cushions and outdoor entertaining essentials. There you have it, friends. A complete tour of farmhouse Christmas design inspired by Jean Stoffer's timeless Michigan aesthetic. The beauty of this approach lies in its restraint, its celebration of natural materials, and its emphasis on creating spaces that feel collected rather than decorated. Remember, achieving this look isn't about perfection. It's about layering textures, embracing imperfection in vintage finds, and prioritizing comfort alongside beauty. Start with one room, perhaps that dining table we detailed, and let your confidence grow. Your farmhouse Christmas should feel like a warm hug, welcoming, comfortable, and authentically you. If you love these ideas, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for weekly design inspiration, and share your farmhouse Christmas plans in the comments. Until next time, happy decorating!